welcome to a new Nighthawk Mini Gimp tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to customize your interface and your entire gimping experience using Dialogs. Alright, so this is my cousin's YouTube page background, and her name is Muzz64. Originally Muzz64 was my uncle's YouTube page, but he the page was taken over by my cousin. So Charlotte's running it now. Alright, so as you see here, I have two little tabs on my toolbox. Now if you're new to GIMP, you've probably seen a second toolbox here is a dialogue. Like a little pop-up thing. Pop-up window. If you're new to GIMP, you've probably seen a few more of these windows. Like, one could be layers, channels, paths, and other, like just a few different ones. On my toolbox I have layers and paintbrush and like these little tabs, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to add get more tools and add dialogues. Alright, so let's go to up the top we have like a little toolbar, file, edit, select, view, and if you right mouse click you get all these the same stuff. The same selections. So let's go to Windows and then Dockable Dialogs, and we have this variety of different dialogues. Channels we've got, I'll show you guys, paths. This is one of my favorites. I'll just move that there. Now I'll go to my selection by path tool and make a little path, a little border you could say. I'll just make a new layer. Then go to selection from path, and I'll fill it in with my foreground color. Now this is that's just a little way to select stuff. What you can also do, instead of going selecting stuff, you can press stroke path, and you can select your line width and just do it like that. So instead of filling it in, you just do that. Now if you click on another tool, you'll get rid of those. So if you go to that and you click on another tool, you'll get rid of that path. But what you can do, just like on the layers dialog, you have all these eyes, and when you click on the eye, you uncheck stuff and you hide them. Same with the paths dialog. You click on an eye, well you click on the box to break the eye up, and you toggle through your paths. And yeah, so that's quite handy to use, and I use that. I was going to put that on there. That works. What's going on? That's quite weird. Alright. Alright, so tool options and paths are our dialogues. Tool options, paths, and layers. Next one, Windows, Dockable Dialogs, and these are all the dialogues that I use. Brushes I use. Now on the tool options thing, tool options dialog, you get, when you click on the brush, on the paintbrush, you choose your brush size. Same, and you click on the square to bring up the brush, and you get this little pop-up of brushes. Same deal with the brushes dialog. Instead of clicking that, you can just go to the next tab and then find your next brush. That's a very good dialog to have. Windows, gradients, patterns, fonts, images. If I were to open up a second image, like make a new image in GIMP, A4 landscape, it makes a second image on here. If I put that on a full screen, I can toggle through the different images I have opened. That's a very good one to have, and I use that one. Tools, templates, buffers, palettes I should say. Undo history, just like the when you press Control Z or go Edit Undo, you'd undo stuff activities that you've recently done. One disadvantage to this, however, if you made a mistake and then did a few more actions after it, if you go to Control Z, you undo the actions that you've done that were correct, as well as the one to try and get to the one that you've done wrong. This one, however, is quite a good one because this is all your history of actions that you've made. And let's say if I checked, this is the Mud64 logo. I unchecked it and then checked it again. Now, if I wanted to undo that action, this is just an example, I click on it. And then go to undo, and all that stuff. Yeah, so it's quite good, that one. I would recommend using that. Pass, have I done that? Yep. Yeah, these are just a few dialogues, and I would imagine because there's so many things on the web that you can download, like fonts and brushes and stuff, I would imagine that you can get all download dialogues too. There'd probably be some good ones on the internet too. So thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm Nighthawk Media, and I'm out.